Hello everyone, today we are going to see a small handheld digital microscope from Link Micro. Its model number is LM013. So it comes in this package and here is the microscope. The build quality is really good and it's lightweight. It comes with this slide holder and some other types of container for seeing the microorganisms. Here comes the micro USB cable for charging and connecting to the PC, a safety strap and a bag for carrying the microscope. Also we have two sample slides to see under the microscope. And here is a tweezer. This is power button and this button is for changing the modes and changing the settings. This is for starting and stopping the recordings. This is for zooming and going up and down. This is for brightness control and the silver color you see here, it's a knob for micro adjustment. On the bottom side you can see a rotating ring which helps us to achieve a wider view. And on the back of this, it has a Type-C port, a microSD card and a reset button. It supports a microSD card of up to 32 GB. So let's power it on. Here is the welcome screen and it's turned on. So let's see some settings. Before that, let me show you a small video which I recorded earlier. Now long press on the M button and you will enter inside the settings. Here are many settings which you can adjust as per your requirements. So when first time you insert the SD card, you have to go inside the settings and do a manual format so that it can record the video, else you will get an error. So let's see something under the microscope. We will be using here a sample slide which came with it, and here is the view. So let's see. Also you can record the videos inside this and images also. So look at this. The outcome is really of high quality in a such small microscope. Let's place another slide. This is the leg of a bee and here you can see even the tiny hairs on the leg itself. That's really awesome. So let's achieve a wider view now and see the electronic parts. This is the 433 MHz transmitter module which we are seeing under the microscope, and you can see the quality of it. Here is some small component like a 0603 SMD LED and a SMD resistors which you can't actually see with your naked eyes. Here is a TP4056 charging module. Let's have a closer look into it. And here is our mostly used WS2812 RGB LED. This thing is really awesome. You can see even the tiny strings inside an LED which your naked eyes can't see. Let's see a leaf under the microscope. That doesn't look good. Okay, let's flip the leaf and try to see from the other side. And now it looks something like a leaf. So yeah, that's good. And here is a filament of a 3D printer, and that's also good. And now we will see a tissue paper, and you can actually see the tiny threads which are coming out of the tissue paper under the microscope. That's really awesome. So why not look the skin inside the microscope. This is my own skin, so don't judge me by color. And here is my palm, and you can see how well it looks under it. So let's look currency inside it. Here I have a 5 rupee coin, and it looks something like this. As I said earlier, we can connect our microscope to the PC so that we can see on a bigger screen. Also, we can record the screen on the PC itself. And here is a live example. You can actually see the live feed from a microscope onto your PC. So that's really awesome. So what do you think? Is this product worth the hype? Let's discuss in the comments. Like this video to let the algorithm know you want more content like this. Goodbye.